Hey guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Diablo Sport Intune i3 Platinum. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I haven't seen too many videos of anyone unboxing it. So we're going to unbox this thing, see what it's really about, and probably definitely not read the instructions. So here we go. Handy dandy steak knife. Oh, gotta. Definitely was no need to use the steak knife. It's a nice box, you know. Honestly, I figured it might come in something a little bit different though. Just kidding. Got a nice little cord for charging. That's the tuner. Let's save that for last. It's going to be our OBD port. Nice. They even gave us a nice little decal. That's actually pretty nice. I don't know if I'll put that on the truck or not, but if I do, it would probably be the inside. It might be the outside, but I don't know. We'll see. That's a nice little decal. It feels really good too. Nice. Okay. Anyways, this is your port for the OBD. You'll hook this into the tuner, and then this will go into your OBD port in your vehicle. So put that there, put that there. So got a nice little quick start guide. Oh, nice. Little poster, and hang it up on your wall, and then it has all your instructions right there on the back. So definitely might hang that poster up even. Nice. So you got a poster, you got a decal. So attention vehicle owner, this product includes features that make it capable of accepting third-party tuning that was not created by PowerTech. If third-party tuning is used with this product, then the product is not legal for use on California roads or highways unless the third party that created such tuning can provide a valid executive order number from the California Air Resources Board. So yeah, I'm not going to read the whole thing, but sorry, California. So, man, you guys just got it bad. You can't modify your car's exhaust. This is what we all been waiting for right here. So, let's go ahead and close this up. Pop some bubbles. Alright, enough of that. Nice. Thank you for your purchase. Although not always required, we recommend updating this unit prior to installation. Please see user manual for details. Nice. It's a lot lighter than what I thought it would be, though. It feels very, very light. I was hoping for something heavy. You know, I just feel like if it's heavy, it'd be a lot easier to hold on to, you know. I'd hate to drop this thing. It's got this little fake cover. It looks like a phone case. It looks like a little iPhone. So go ahead and peel this off. And nice, got a nice screen on it. We're gonna go ahead and put this on the back so we don't lose it, so we can just keep it for now. Anyways, guys, that's the Diablo Sport Intune i3. Thanks for clicking on my video. I hope you liked it. And if you want to see more on this and tuning a vehicle or any other modifications I may do to my Tahoe or my FX35, then please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Thank you, guys.